Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will be showing you how to sell multiple items in one listing on eBay, and is it possible? So let's get started. So first, you just have to go to any web browser and then type eBay, and this is what it looks like. Now, the first step in getting your goods in front of buyers is to create a listing here in eBay. They possess a variety of features to ensure that your ads are noticed. Selling with Buy It Now, you can establish a fixed price per item and let shoppers to buy it right away with Buy It Now listing. Okay, so what you're going to do here is you have to search for that item or a similar item that you have. So let's just say you have, or you're selling sneakers or white shoes and you want to sell it here on eBay. So actually, you have your steps here. List your item, get seller protection, choose when you get paid. You can also scroll down here to see FAQs and so on. So to start, you just have to click this list an item here below make money selling on eBay before you search your product. You have to click this list an item here. Okay. And then after that, it will take you to another page. Now you have your choices here. Type keywords like brand model, choose from possible matches to help review, make changes in the list your item. So let's just skip this part and then go to the search bar or search icon and then type the product that you want to start your listing or to create a list. So as you can see, I have started with looking for stickers, women, okay? If I cannot see one, then feel free to change and look for other product that you have, of course, and then search it right here on eBay. So you can also add more details to be very specific so that they can show you if there is that product here or same or similar pictures and similar descriptions or similar products here on eBay. So as you can see, okay, so there is this suggested here. So anyways, I changed to sneakers to clothing. Okay, so I look for something here. So let's just say I have this product right here. I have the same product with this one. So once you tap the item, you have to select the condition of your item, of course, so that the customers can know the condition of your item. So new with tags, without tags, with effects, or used. So let's just say my product is new with tags. So click continue with listing. Now complete your information. You cannot proceed without verifying your information here, your country, your street, your number. Okay, and then you can click continue. You could also sign in or log in with your Google account. So once you tap this continue right here, then you can now proceed. So as you can see, use words people would search when looking for an item. So you can edit the name above here. Okay, so you can remove and add a word on the title, which should be matched to your item. For example, your item is not like this, but the title has this, so you have to remove that one. Then be specific with your item, the condition, also the brand, if it's branded or not. Okay, so size type, with the size, you can change it right here. With the style, you can change the style here. The length of your dress, okay, so you have options when you tap this arrow facing down. Also the color, okay, so you can change it right here so that they have the idea that the color that you have posted is not the color that you're selling. Okay, so you have the specific color here. Also the length of the sleeve, pattern, and so on. Okay, item description, and you can upload your photos if you have. Okay, so you can upload the photos if you have, then upload it from your computer or from your device. Then here for the pricing, and then you can set an auction, you can start bidding. With this amount, then this person can automatically purchase or immediately purchase at this given price. For example, the product is 800 to 900. If someone pays 850, then he or she can automatically place this to his or her cart. Post each, ship your item, local pickup. You can also start your listing preference here. Okay. So if you want this payment options, you just have to check the boxes here, the time, the country and region, and so on. Okay. And then you can choose this list to be display fees, review, save it for later. Okay. So after that, you can change it anytime. So that's it. Now feel free to upload a photo. If you want to replace the photo here, you can upload from mobile, you can upload from computer. You can review and change the description right here and so on. So if you want to add from mobile, you can just tap this add from mobile and then change the information. If you think that there's something wrong with the information here or something is missing, you can add or you can change it. Okay. Now, the problem is that you cannot really sell multiple items here in one listing on eBay. Rather, you can add different variations or you can do sell variations of the product here. Okay, so let's just say if you sell this dress and you have other style or design, but of course it's the same brand, then all you have to do is to upload the images or pictures of that product here or those products here, and then simply change the information or the details of the product. So feel free to tap, okay, this arrow facing down and change it. So you can add simply like if this dress has color black, if this dress is color white, or if this dress has a different style and different color, something like that. So you can add it here. So if you want to add another item, then you have to go back again and create a new listing. For example, the shoes. So create a new listing, then you can add different variations. Okay, so you cannot add multiple products in one listing. I think eBay won't allow you to do that. But to add variations in one listing is indeed possible. So that's it. All you have to do is do the same method, do the same process if you want to create a new listing again. So you have to look for that product that has similarity or same appearance or picture with the product they're about to sell. And then after that, change the description, the details, and then make sure that everything is correct. And also the information should match with the product that you have. And then after that, you can post it or you can create and list it here. So here's the thing. Making a product page for an item you wish to sell on eBay is referred to as listing on those platforms. You include information about the product, including the title, description, price, quantity available, delivery choices, and any other pertinent characters or characteristics when you post for sale. Once a listing is made and posted, it can be found on the platform when users search for your item. Again, let me remind you, you cannot sell multiple items in one listing on eBay rather than sell variations of the product here. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.